Winsong Hannah. Put your whip away, fashion clean, and back the trailer is Woodmere Glamorous. Here they come. There they go. They're off in pacing at the rail, getting them out. That $1 million feeling. Second is MD Casey's Charm. Fashion Colleen coming from the far outside. Woodmere Glamorous on the run. May have taken Chocolate Sunday with her here. A lot of confusion in the backfield. Up the backstretch they go, led by $1 Million Feeling in line to Wayne Dunn. Second is MD Casey's Charm. There the inquiry sign now lit on that infield choke board regarding that first turn incident. Opening quarter to $1 Million Feeling. 29 flat the time. Pacing second, MD Casey's Charm. Fashion Colleen third. Trust Me One More Time. Up with the front pack in fourth. Well back into fifth is Winsong Hannah. Then racing sixth, that is White Sand Artist. Pacing seventh is Put Your Whip Away. Then in eighth, Chocolate Sunday. And Woodmere Glamorous in the backfield. Halfway home in the opener with $1 Million Feeling, the midway point leader. Two-hole ride for MD Casey's Charm. Fashion Colleen third. Going to the outside fourth is Trust Me One More Time. They continue to roll. 59 and 4 was the half. Going around the paddock turn, chasing $1 Million Feeling. MD Casey's Charm is second. First up now on the outside third. Trust Me One More Time. Fashion Colleen fourth at the rail. Fifth, Winsong Hannah. Put Your Whip Away. Moving up sixth. White Sand Artist seventh. Then Chocolate Sunday. Woodmere Glamorous the trailer. 3/4 in 1:30 and $3 Million Feeling looks to put them away. Clear by a half a dozen with an eighth left to go. MD Casey's Charm all out in the two-hole. Fashion Colleen along the inside third. It's all over in the opener. $1 Million Feeling crushes his rivals here for Wayne Dunn on top all the way. In for the deuce, MD Casey's Charm holding on there. Fashion Colleen will be third. The trip was 2 minutes, 4/5.